Good morning. I am Sharath Kumar or I'm from Bangalore. I completed masters in Kalpataru Science First Grade College in the year of 2020-23 at the aggregate of 62 percentage. I got placed through JSPIDERS. Thank you for each and every trainer who to teach us, and for HRs who give the requirements. You will get good training from the trainers, and they will treat very well, and they will give a particularly thing train for how HR questions they will ask in the interview, and how to answer in the interview from the scratch level they will teach us. So I refer JSPIDERS to improve your personality and skills, and I thank for each and every trainers who teach me here to got this job. Thank you, JSPIDERS.